Welcome friends to my channel. In the first part, I have already told you zodiac sign and personalities from Aries to Virgo. Now I am going to tell one by one Libra to the last pieces. Talk about Libra. Libra is a scale. It is a air sign. Venus is the ruler of the sign. Its strength include being cooperative and fire-minded. Its weaknesses are indecisiveness and avoiding confrontation. Libra refers to balance. They must remember that they have their own opinion. Since it is air sign, it always involved in search of new idea and skill. Life enriching with joy and colorful and socio-personal relationship. Libra wants to make up balance and harmony with their partner. So now I will tell you Scorpion. Scorpion, it is a water sign. Mars is the ruler of this sign. Scorpio is brave and resourceful. Jealous and secretive are weakness. Scorpion by nature passionate and assertive. They approach life with fierce tenacity. They hate dishonesty. They begin a relationship carefully. Intimacy is very important to them. Let's go on Sagittarius. Sagittarius is Archer. It is a fiery sign. Jupiter is the ruler of this sign. They are idealistic and have a great sense of humanity. As to weakness, they are unfiltered and very impatient. People of this sign are extroverted, enthusiastic, and dynamic. They are lovers of freedom. They can travel and explore the world and other cultures. In the affair of relationship, they find connecting with many different people. In love, they are fiercely loyal to their partner. The next Capricorn. It is a earth sign. Saturn is the ruler of this sign. The people born under this sign are responsible, disciplined and self-control. Their weakness include being a know-it-well and being unforgiving. They have a sense of inner independence which helps them to achieve their personal and professional goals. They are expert at making plans and following with them. They are master of self-control. This partner can have a relationship of everlasting growth. Then comes to now Aquarius, water bearer. It is the air sign. Saturn is the ruler of the sign. People born under this sign are progressive, original and independent. Weakness include running from emotional expression. They are deep thinker and lover of helping people. They feel comfortably being a member of a group or community. They try to keep them surrounding of people. In relationship, they see their partners as equals and give them independence they need. Then comes to know about the last zodiac sign, that is the Pisces. Pisces is the face. It is a water sign. Jupiter is the lord of the sign. People born under the sign are compassionate and intuitive. Aspect demerits the desire to escape reality and self-pity. They are very friendly. They feel pleasure in the company of different types of people with philanthropic mentality. They are carrying they are caring heart and faithfully. They connected with music and different types of art. They are full romantics in love and the relationship, blindly believe others. So these are the facts about our 12 zodiac sign. Thank you to watching my channel. If you are not subscribed yet, subscribe it to update with me. Thank you once again.